So if you're working on this month's yo-yo basket, I just have a quick tip for you on how to make sure that your seam allowances are accurate. Because if you're not absolutely accurate, then what you're going to find is these little points down here at the bottom of the basket may end up being cut off a little, the way I have accidentally done here. Step 1 in your instructions says to join the A unit to the B and C one, and then trim it. Step 2 tells you to go ahead and add the D unit. When you get ready to stitch these together and you line them up as carefully and accurately as you can along this edge, then this is your first easy indicator of how accurate your seam allowances actually are. Because if these are exact, accurate 1/4 inch, then you'll find that these two pieces should be totally exactly matching up with no fabric showing on either side. If that isn't the case, then that's a pretty good indicator right there that you don't have an accurate 1/4 inch going. If you look carefully, you can see that I do have a little bit that isn't lining up here exactly. So that's telling me that my seam allowance was a little bit too large here, and so it made this a little smaller than it should be. Now I have my piece stitched together, and it should measure exactly 4 1/4 inches. But if you take a close look, you can see that I'm actually just slightly under the 4 1/4 inches all the way down. So that's telling me that I'm taking a little bit too wide of seams, and I need to make my seam allowance just a little bit more scant.